Hi, I'm Manvi Mitruka from Siliguri, West Bengal, India, and I'm in class 11 right now. I study in St. Joseph's High School, Matikara. So, I created a chatbot on Vietnam, and it provides you all the information that you have to get to plan your trip to Vietnam, and it provides you information about all the islands, all the restaurants, all the hotels, all the day trips that you can take, and much more. So, what gave me the idea to make such a thing? Well, I can say that when I went to Vietnam, I had done a lot of research about all the activities and the stuff that I could enjoy over there. But then when I got there, I found out that I had missed quite a few interesting things. So I thought that I'll have to extend my trip, and I had to extend my trip. I had planned a 10-day trip initially, but then I had to extend it to a 15-day trip. And I can say that if I wouldn't extend it, it wouldn't be half as much as fun as it was. And so that's what inspired me to make the chatbot. And the chatbot, one specification that I had added to the chatbot was that it can help all the people. And this was challenging as to how to plan it to help all the people. How I have done it is that there are quite a few people who go on a budget trip, whereas there are quite a few people who go on a luxury trip as well. So how can my chatbot help all the people? I have listed all the things that you can do on a budget, whereas I have listed all the luxury things that you can enjoy in the country as well. And it provides you all the information on the islands as well, so that you can enjoy those as well without much hassle and much research. And it was quite challenging to design it in such a manner so that it can help all the kind of people, but I have achieved it, and I am very happy that I have done so. And something that I found very interesting while doing the project was that I could actually make something that would help all the people. I actually got a platform to do something so that I could help the people. It was a very it was a very interesting and nice experience for me, and I look forward to much more projects like that. Thank you.